Here's an example of a closet bolt that is spinning freely, bolt and nut. It makes it very difficult to remove this. With the Johnny bar, it's a matter of getting it stuck underneath the washer. It's there. And as you see, it's holding in place. The nut spins off. Pretty nice invention. Take it the rest of the way. The bar is holding against the side there. Voila! It holds right there to the threaded base of that